Hi, my name is Yusuf Abdullah. Today I will show you how you can make any website editable. So for example, I will show you what I edited before. I edited this website and I searched Microsoft and it shows right now here Apple Corporation, but it's not Apple, it is Microsoft. If I refresh it again, it comes same as Apple. You can see it's just finishing the refresh. Just 1 second. I think it's almost, yeah, it's finished. So now I will show you how I did this. You can do this with your friend, you can make pranks and everything. So just I'm searching another website which is like Apple, and in here I will just do one step which is inspect element. You can do either Control Shift I, or you can just right click. Just I'm going to show you how I do Control Shift I, or I will click right click, then I will choose inspect. Then one box will come on either right side or on the bottom, wherever you set up. Okay, so from here you can go console, you can see elements, console, source. So you just click on the console and you just have to type one single code. I copied the code and I'm just pasting here. The code is document.body.contentEditable equal true. So after you paste your code, or after you type your code, you just simply enter and it comes true. So you just close the box. Now you just have to do whichever text you want to edit. For example, I would like to edit, I would like to make it Microsoft. For example, micro micro soft Microsoft. Okay, so if I refresh this, it will just go away. Let me just show you. Yeah, it's go away. But what happened to this website, I refreshed but it doesn't go. So for this you just simply go to the Chrome web store, you can search, and you just have to search permanent inspect element. After you install this, then the main job is you just have to do, for example, I refreshed this, so there is nothing in the console. So you have to again Control Shift I or inspect element. So I'm clicking Control Shift I or this. Okay, and I'm pasting this again and enter. Close the box, making it Microsoft, Microsoft Microsoft. Then I just have to simply the permanent inspect element which was installed, and it's supposed to be on here, and if it doesn't here, then it should be on this side, and you can just pin the thing. So it's permanent inspect element. If you just pin, unpin like that. So I just have to click here and I just have to click save page. After I click save page, then I refresh. After refresh, it comes a little slow because I changed some articles, I mean some um, titles which is like Microsoft. That's why it comes late. Microsoft, but it doesn't Microsoft. You see the technique? You can do this prank with your friends, family, anywhere. So this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not responsible if you do anything illegal or incorrect. I just made this video for educational purpose. Feel free to like, comment, and if you need any more video about technology, I can help you with that. Just comment into this video or wherever else. I will see and I will reply, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, and that will be pleasure. Thank you so much for watching.